Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a rainbow paper chain. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are a stapler or glue, some construction paper, and scissors. First, I'm going to take my pieces of paper, and I have red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And then I'm going to cut each of them into thirds. And then form a loop and staple or glue that. Just like that. Next, I'm going to take an orange, put it through the red, bring it back around into a loop, and staple that one. Just like that. Next, I'm going to do yellow. I'm going to loop it through my orange, like that, bring it into a loop, and staple that one. Next I'm going to do green, then blue. And if you want, I made 3 strips with each piece of paper. So I made 3 reds, 3 oranges, 3 yellows, 3 greens, and 3 blues. So you can make it as long as you want. You can make it super short. You can also make it thicker or thinner or longer, whatever you really want to do. And then take my blue, loop that through. Like that. And now I can leave it like this, or I can keep going and start over with red. Now, with this last piece of paper, you can either connect it to your first one, loop it through like that, and create like a wreath or circle, or you can do it like normal, staple it down, and then add eyes and some little antenna, and it would make it a caterpillar, and this would all be the body. I think I'm gonna do, or you can just staple it and just have it like a chain, like normal. I think I'm gonna loop it in the red though, and make a circle. So I ended up just making it a normal, regular chain. And then you can just hang this up or do whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!